Tuning your car with the COBB Accessport is the best way to get more performance out of your car. Here's why. Number one, it's insanely easy to use. Number two, it's very flexible and very customizable. Number three, there's a ton of support for it from both COBB and tuners like us. All right, so let's talk about number one, how easy it is to do this thing. The Accessport comes in a box just like this. It comes with a nice case, actually. You'll need this case. You don't want this thing sitting in your car out in the sun or visible, right? Put it in a case, put it in your glove box, makes it easy to store, but comes with a cable, comes with the device. You plug the device into the cable on one end, you plug the OBD2 connector to your car on the other end, and it's literally as easy as turning on your car and following a handful of prompts that COBB has nicely and easily set out for you to follow and flash your car. All in all, it probably takes 10 to 15 minutes the first time you ever do it. I mean, it couldn't be easier to take this thing and instantly get more power in your car. You can do it on a car with no parts. You can do it on a car with a handful of parts. It's super easy to do overall. Where the customization comes into play is when pro tuners like us are able to access the back end of this device, change around a lot of tables in the software, change around a lot of settings for boost and fuel and a lot of other various things that allow us to customize the map for the parts that are on your car. Usually that's for bigger turbos, different intercoolers, just more wild setups than the typical, intake and exhaust type of car. So that's how flexible it is. That's how customizable it is. You can really start from nothing and go all the way to tons of power. All right, so number three would be the support you get when you purchase this device, both from COBB themselves and from tuners like us. From COBB, you're gonna be able to speak to humans. If you have any questions about this stuff, COBB's service and support is really awesome. You can speak to humans, you can email them, you can chat with them, you can call them. They're going to be there to answer your questions. This is really their bread and butter. They want to make sure you're taken care of when it comes to support for the Accessport. When it comes to, the tuner that is maybe customizing a map for you or just Edge Autosport like us in general that you buy the device from, we're here to help you as well, especially with our knowledge of tuning and using the actual device itself. At the end of the day, what's really awesome about this thing that a lot of people don't really realize at first when they first buy it is any off-the-shelf map that ever gets modified from COBB or new features come out, things that weren't available, 2 years ago when you first bought it, any off-the-shelf map is now able to be downloaded by anybody that has the device. You go to cobbtuning.com, download the new map, flash it or upload it to your device, flash it to your car. All the updates, all the firmware updates, all the software updates, it's all available to you after you purchase the device. One bonus feature that I like about this thing is it's not married to the vehicle. Once you flash the car, once this thing is on the car and installed, you can take it back off. So in the scenario that you get rid of your car, you pass it along, however it gets passed along, you can take this thing off if it doesn't need the tune to follow it, and it retains its value. It holds value. You can sell it to another person with the same car that you had. So that's it. It's really as easy as 1, 2, 3. So if you have any other questions, reach out to us. Go to edgeautosport.com, visit the site, give us a call, shoot us an email, however you need to get a hold of us. We're here to help you.